In this lecture, I am going to tell you about a website known as pixabay.com, from where you can download royalty-free stock images for your YouTube videos. As you can see, there are many photos which are there in their homepage. You can download any one of them. There's another option. If I want to search for cell phone image, then I will enter cell phone in the search bar. Now you can see there are many results which came for cell phone. Now if you want to use any image, you can download it. Suppose if I want this image, then I will click this one. This image is a free download image and it is licensed under CC-BY Creative Commons. It means it is free for commercial use. You can use it commercially or for your personal use. There's no attribution required. Attribution means that you will refer back to this image in your description of the video. So in this case, this attribution is not required. So there's no requirement for you to link back to the creator of this image. So let me show you how to download this image. So for this, I will click this free download button. Now there are 4 dimensions for which you can download images. This is a very small image size. This is average. This is perfect for your YouTube images. This is very large size, which you can see here is 5472 into 3648. Is a huge size. Suppose if I want to download this image, then I will click download. Now it will ask for CAPTCHA. If we are a registered user, there will be no requirement to enter a CAPTCHA code. So, and one more thing, the sign up is free. You can easily sign up in Pixabay for free. You need to enter your username, email address and password, and then they will send you a confirmation email from where you can confirm the email, and then you will be able to sign in into Pixabay account and you will be able to download all these images in various sizes. So right now what I will do, I will try to download it using CAPTCHA code. Let's click free download and then download. Click I'm not a robot. Now it is asking for traffic lights, so I will have to find traffic lights here. 1, 2, 3. Doesn't look like more. Let's verify it. Now it's confirmed. So just click download. As you can see on the left hand side, it has started downloading. Now you can easily find it from your computer and can edit it and use in your videos. So that's all how you can use Pixabay. I will see you in the next lecture.